Welcome! In today's video tutorial, we're gonna talk about how to use color scales in Excel. Thanks to color scales, you'll be able to design a data table with a clear overview of the maximum, the minimum, as well as the middle values. So, let's get into it. To use this function, you'll need to select the data range to which you want to apply the color scales first. Then go to the Home tab, find Styles, and click on Conditional Formatting. There are several useful functions hidden here in the Conditional Formatting section. All of them come quite handy when you need to present your data in a clear way. We'll go for color scales now, and in the window that just appeared, we can select from two types of color scales. The first one contains a scale of 3 colors, the other one just 2. Select the first one, green, yellow, red. Excel immediately applies a scale in these colors on the selected cells. Red color marks the minimum, green color the maximum, and the yellow marks the middle values. Thanks to the different shades of the colors, we're able to find our way through the set of data and spot quickly whether particular values are closer to the minimum, or rather the maximum of the range. We're gonna move on now and see how we can edit the color scale or, if necessary, how we can remove it. Let's start with the first case, which is editing the color scale. Click on any cell containing the selected data with the color scale formatting. Then click on Conditional Formatting again and select Manage Rules. Select Edit Rule in the window that just appeared. There's a number of options for editing color scales here. We're gonna go only through the basic ones now. In this part, you can still make up your mind whether you want to change to the 2-color or stick with the 3-color scale. Below, you can pick specific colors based on what suits you best. In this case, we'll choose this sharp red for the minimum and this intense green for the maximum of the range. Confirm with OK, then click on OK again. Excel will adjust the scale according to the selected settings. If you need to remove the color scale, select Clear Rules in the section Conditional Formatting, then click on Clear Rules from Entire Sheet, and that's it. The color scale has been removed from the table.